As I celebrate, happy that I made it through another day. I'm trying my best to graduate. I fade away from niggas hate. It's that boy Coach De Janeiro, AK Mr. Coach Days. It ain't no way for me to stop. I ain't giving out no hate. I'm just trying to reach the top. Flip niggas up like flip and flop. Back and forth niggas, don't you know that I'm hip and hop? July the 4th ain't even that hot. Coach Brown blow up both spots, cause you know I call shot and I'm rolling. Chronic that we got smoking. I don't know nothing but rolling out with niggas from Oakland. We smoking potent until we start reeking. You should see how I'm freaking this pretty for the weekend. Yes, I'm tweaking. I don't got no fucking love. That's what happened. Smoking on that chronic bud. Nigga like Cole stay on the rush. Turned motherfucking ashes and ashes to dust. Dust to dust. Who really wanna fuck with us? None of them. Cause niggas would definitely get done. I am that freestyling one. I'm on the microphone daily and I'm just having fun. You niggas crazy thinking that I'm done. I don't give a fuck what you think I spit, nigga, I'm getting mine. Rhyme like opposed to, I'm from the old school and from the fucking new. You just a bugaboo, who the fuck is you? Coach Brown, I'm about to buff a boo. It's on the crack and I thought you knew. It's hat backwards, the most incredible crew. My fucking crew, my nigga, I thought that you knew. But you was bullshitting like you used to. Niggas afraid, so I just pull out my blade or my deuce. I get loose, yeah, it's time to stretch. I'm that dude, riding on the west. Nevertheless, I feel like I'm the best. Me and DP, we hit the streets like Biggie Small and Tupac without a vest. Yes, I'm devil less than 6 feet. So that means I don't really need no another 6 feet. I'm already CB. You know it's me. I don't understand shit. You know, I know the streets. I'm rolling SAC Ramino. Hell yeah, I spit these hard freestyles over these instrumentals. Eat you like a donut spot, nigga, the Winchels. Hell yeah, I'm so heaven sent to dement you. Yes, I hit you like you never heard of. Like a fucking bird of. Yeah, it's all murder, my nigga. You know us and we gon' get shit but things done. I am the one. Tell me where you from and what you thinking. Ask the bartender, what the fuck are you drinking? Cause I'm buying the chronic that I got some lying. Ain't no time for no lying. No time for crying. I'm just flying like an American's plane. It's that boy Days. Never will I change. Everything is strange. Everything is different. When you try to get your mind focused around getting riches. Fuck bitches. That's how I start a verse. My nigga JR be laughing when he hear the verse. I just laugh back and then I curse. Like fuck the world, nigga. They need to see Coast first. I am that free throws best. You the worst. Hit you hard until you lay flat down and then the hearse. At first it was motherfucking Bammer, then the perk. That's a lot of shit in my life. I feel I deserve, so I work hard for it. Boulevards rolling. I don't know shit, no time for busting and strolling. I'm rolling since about 14. Niggas know me, aka Coach Days or Court B or just Courtney. Yeah, it's like a girl, but I'll be the first nigga to rock your world. I got chronic plus drink until I earl. What's the fuck is what? What's up with my fucking girl? Yeah.